tell me about yourself, Cheryl. You live over at Sayre. What do you
No,
do?
I live here.
You live here.
I live out by Merritt.
Out by Merritt.
Here, yeah.
And you work for...
Well, I'm director of adult education,
Okay.
and I work for the Elk City newspaper.
The Elk City newspaper. Okay,
Yes.
very good. And you're a member of the Rotary Club?
I am a member of the Rotary Club, very
Okay.
proud member of the Rotary Club.
And I'm probably the newest member of the Rotary Club.
I think you
right?
are.
Yeah.
I think that, yeah, welcome.
Thank
Great.
you. And so, one of the things I've been a part of is the Rotary auction where we do a fundraiser.
That's fun, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
He was on the radio.
I was on the radio.
Yeah.
Not only on YouTube and being YouTube rich and famous, but on the radio. Like all these
Thanks.
people could hear me and they could not even see me. Look
That's
at all
true.
y'all. Y'all get to see us and hear us.
Is that a good thing?
It is a good thing.
Yeah, it's a great thing.
It's a great
I'm so
thing.
glad. Out here at Elk City Country Club.
Yeah, at
Yeah.
the golf course. Beautiful golf course,
It
right?
is,
So
it
how
is.
long have you lived in Elk City?
Oh, I moved here in 1982,
Okay.
and I'm a retired teacher. Worked for the school system for 32 years.
For 32 years?
Mm-hmm.
And what year did you retire?
Don't ask me that. 2017, I believe.
2017? Okay. Do you miss it?
I do. Well, and then I went back and worked for a little while, and then COVID is when I officially have
Okay.
not gone back yet.
Okay. Okay. Very
So,
good. And
yeah.
so let me ask you some questions. You're a customer of mine.
I am.
I appreciate that. You're also a
You-
female,
I am.
right? And so tell me from your perspective, and like this is unscripted, unedited.
Yeah.
Just be blatantly honest with
Mm-hmm.
me. How do you feel as a female whenever you walk into my shop? And how do you know, prior to knowing me, how did you know that we could be trusted?
Well, I don't know.
I figure as a
I
school
don't-
teacher, you're a
you
good
can-
judge of character, probably.
Good judge of character, confidence. I was very welcoming when you came in.
Mhm.
I've had, actually,
I remember the first time we met. You
Yes,
remember the first
yes,
time we met?
yes. Out at when you first came out here, I did a story when
You did a
moved
story
to Elk City.
because we at that year we gave away a car to a
That's
deserving
right.
person, and you came and you interviewed me.
Yes.
On
yes,
paper.
Yes. Right, not talk.
And you wrote a beautiful story. I
you.
laminated it.
Oh,
I've got it
good,
somewhere.
good,
you know.
good,
But we
good.
gave away a car to a deserving person back then, right? But that was
You've
the
done
first
that
time.
a couple
we,
times, haven't you?
I have. I think that was the third car we've given away, and I
that
think
right?
we've given away one since then. But yeah, you graciously did a story.
anytime.
That was actually the first time we met. I believe that was in 2017 or 2018, somewhere in there.
When you first moved here.
Yeah.
When you first
and I
came
came
up
here
here.
in November 17, so it's probably 2018.
Yeah.
So we met in
soon.
2018.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Been a while.
It's been a while.
And
And then since then, I see
You've-
your name come across my reports occasionally.
yes, I don't know that you were part of my Subaru saga.
Don't remember.
Okay. Well, I still have a Subaru saga, but anyway, very helpful because I had a problem with my transmission with the Subaru,
Okay.
and we had a aftermarket warranty. You don't want me to talk about that. That was not a good experience, but it was a very good experience with your company. I mean, they were
Let me guess.
wonderful.
Let me guess. The aftermarket company didn't do anything.
They didn't do anything.
How did I know?
Oh my God. But I will say you tried. I mean, the car was there for 2 days trying to get it. I was on the phone with
So
him.
did Lynn take care of you or Nathaniel?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel did? Okay.
Anyway, and so very helpful. Transmission oil, and I don't know that it still has a problem, but anyway. So that was really my first time that you worked on any of my vehicles.
Okay.
And then I came back and my favorite part? I vacuum the car when I get my oil changed. That I love.
Not everybody does that?
No, I don't know of anybody that does that.
Really?
Yeah, it is great.
Okay.
So plus it was fast and great
Well,
service.
we appreciate you as a customer, really do.
Yeah.
I hate that you had such a problem with your third-party warranty. I've obviously shot several videos. I've tried to. I'm a school teacher too.
Yeah,
Different-
right.
Differently,
yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
Like it's it's my job not to be the guy negotiating with your warranty company, but it's my job to educate the public of like, not all those are bad. It wouldn't be fair to say all people are bad. That wouldn't be fair. But I can say for a majority of the time, like I'll give you a for instance, my mother calls me. They had bought a Toyota Highlander. Hi Jess, we're so excited. We paid $1,500 for this aftermarket warranty company.
Yeah.
Because we got the extra coverage, and I'm like, Mom.
Yeah. What did you call me first?
I would have rather you just gave me the $1,500 and it won't be money I had. Thankfully, it's been such a great vehicle for them, as we never even had to use it, right? Or try to use it.
Yes.
So I have seen so many denials. Like it's probably 80% denials.
You want me to name the aftermarket company that I went through that was
Of course.
horrible? Endurance. Don't do it.
Endurance. Okay.
Endurance. Don't do it.
And unfortunately, they're one of the better ones.
They are?
Endurance is one of the better ones, unfortunately. But there is so many stipulations. There's so much fine print. And if you look at the fine print on those contracts, often it says anything that's made of plastic, or anything that oil touches, or anything that coolant touches. Well, then what does that leave on the car? And it's just really a big
Yeah,
loophole,
they wanted
right?
me to prove every oil change that I had made. And I will say there was a good thing that happened out of that is because on our Carfax, it showed that we went to a dealership and had something done and the mileage was incorrect that they put down. And so fortunately I could go to that dealership and they said, no, you weren't here. I think I got air in my tire. And so they wrote it up and they put the wrong mileage because they didn't even do anything. Fortunately, they had my ticket and I was able to fix that.
Nice.
So that was a positive that came out of that.
Yeah, and so we really stress that to our team too, because unfortunately my people have made a typo occasionally, and we also report to Carfax, right? So it becomes a big deal to get that straightened out. So we really stress no typos, no odometer.
Well, you don't know. I didn't know until I did that.
And then some new information that just hit me earlier today, actually, that I just found out about. But insurance companies are now starting to look at your Carfax to see how on top of your maintenance you are to determine your insurance rates. Because if you're a person that doesn't take great care of your car, then you're a higher risk for them than somebody that doesn't.
Well, and if you do it yourself, though, that's not recorded.
It's not recorded.
So, and my husband would do it sometimes, and I like to have a shop do it just to see if there's anything else.
That sounds like a whole different story that might be longer than the warranty story.
I don't want to go into that, but no, he does a good job. It's just I don't know. It's just like my transmission in my pickup. You know, by mileage, it really wasn't necessarily ready for a transmission flush, but it was.
You could feel it.
Yeah, it was hard. It was not. But I will say that made a big difference.
So you came.
Huge.
You was telling me you went in 2 or 3 months ago. We recommended a transmission service. I remember I came to a meeting and you asked me, I was like, is that really something that's worth doing? And I'm like, well, I've shot a bunch of videos about why it's so important. Like, I'm super passionate about that. Please do it, Cheryl, right? And so you went back the next week.
I did.
I was supposed to schedule you an appointment. I told Lynn you was there whenever you showed up. So
they took care of me.
And you told me, what did you tell me the next time we seen each other after this?
Oh, it was 100%, made 100% difference.
Like it shifted smooth.
Yes.
You could definitely feel away and it drove, right?
Definitely. I mean,
Improved the fuel mileage, or did you notice that, or could you just driving here in town?
Well, I took it on a trip right after that, which was why one of the reasons I wanted to do it. And so, it was, I don't know about the mileage, it's a pickup.
So hey gang, if you want to know what a smart lady looks like, this is what a smart lady looks like. She comes in, she does her oil change. We say, hey, I really think you should take care of this transmission service. She's a Ford, right?
No, it's a GMC.
GMC. Nonetheless, you should take care of this transmission service. She's like, okay, I'll do it. She was having some hesitation in the shifting. We did the service, and it's
Perfect,
day and
yeah,
night difference, right?
And it was cheaper than the dealership.
Yeah. On those GMC products, I've changed a few transmissions, meaning more than one. I've changed several of those transmissions where they failed at 126,000 miles. So that maintenance service is super critical on those. So there again, I want to commend Cheryl. Thank you for your testimony. Thank you for being so smart and bringing value. And thank you for 32 years of service.
Oh,
so,
yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
I was homeschooled all the way through. One of the very best days in my mother's life
was when you graduated?
was the day I graduated.
I miss the students. I miss those, the high school students.
I don't think my mother misses me being a student.
Probably not. I would not homeschool my children ever. Homework was hard enough.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
all right.
No, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
See y'all next time.